$100 billion. That's how much Apple is reportedly pouring into artificial intelligence over the next few years. But here's the twist. While companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft have been racing ahead with AI breakthroughs, Apple has been almost silent. So now the big question is, can Apple really catch up? Or is this just too little, too late? Let's get into it. For a company that changed the world with the iPhone, Apple has been strangely quiet in the AI space. While ChatGPT is writing emails, Google's Gemini is coding apps, and Microsoft is stuffing AI into every corner of Office, Apple has just been, well, refining Siri. And let's be honest, Siri has been a punchline in the AI world for years. But something shifted in 2024. At WWDC, Apple finally unveiled its AI strategy. And no, it's not just a smarter Siri. It's an entire ecosystem of what they call Apple Intelligence. So what is Apple Intelligence? It's Apple's answer to the AI boom, integrated across iPhone, iPad, and Mac. We're talking features like writing assistants built into Mail, Notes, and Safari, priority notifications that actually understand what matters to you, generative image tools right inside iMessage, a Siri that's finally context-aware and can take actions across apps. And here's where it gets interesting. Apple is doing AI the Apple way. That means everything is focused on privacy, on-device processing, and tight integration with the Apple ecosystem. Instead of sending all your data to the cloud, Apple Intelligence does as much as possible directly on your device, thanks to the powerful chips inside the latest iPhones and Macs. And for the heavy lifting, Apple partnered with OpenAI. That's right, ChatGPT is now baked into iOS, but it's opt-in, clearly labeled, and used only when needed. You stay in control. So, what's with the $100 billion? This isn't just about upgrading Siri or slapping AI into a few apps. Apple is quietly building a new foundation: custom AI chips, massive data infrastructure, acquisitions of AI startups, and hiring thousands of AI engineers globally. They're not trying to be first, they're trying to be right. But can they actually catch up? Let's not forget, Apple has a long history of entering markets late, then dominating. They didn't invent the smartphone, but they redefined it. They didn't create the smartwatch, but now they own the space. And tablets? iPad still leads, even a decade later. Apple's strength has never been in launching first. It's been in creating seamless, premium user experiences and then scaling them across billions of devices. And that's their secret weapon. Apple controls the hardware, the software, the chips, the App Store, everything. So when they roll out AI, they can push it to over 2 billion devices almost overnight. But there are still big challenges. Apple lags behind in foundational AI models. They don't have a ChatGPT or Gemini of their own. Their reliance on OpenAI may be temporary, but it's still a gap. And the tech world is moving fast. One misstep, one delay. And they risk losing relevance in a space that's evolving monthly. Still, if Apple pulls this off, they won't just catch up. They could redefine what personal AI means. One that lives with you, for you, and respects your privacy. So, can Apple catch up in the AI race? If anyone can enter late and win the game, it's Apple. But this time, they're not just betting on a product. They're betting on the future of intelligence itself. If you're curious to see how this AI arms race unfolds, hit that subscribe button. We're diving deep into the stories behind the tech shaping tomorrow. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's next.